Okay, in this video, I want to speak about Valium. For me, Valium, it means that the share folder between localhost or computer and container. In this video, I will make an image from the Docker file, run it, and we do some change together. Let's start. Docker build nginx. Okay, Docker build this image from Docker file in this directory. I'm using Tmux because it's help us to see everything better, and using the file manager also here. Okay, Docker run here. Okay, here we give dash v to say that we have a volume folder and here. So the volume folder on our system on the hub is YouTube is here, and on a oh sorry, and on a container will be the user share nginx html. I mean that I made this folder like a volume, like a share folder. So everything is okay. The volume, my folder, container, background, name, port, nginx. Let's go. Docker ps. Okay. Docker execute. What was the name? Okay, the name is correct. pwd. So as you see, we are here by default. Let's see what's inside. Docker file, hi txt, txt, and in.html. And let me change the name right here. From here, I will change it to index.html. And let's see what will be happen here. ls, as you see, it's changed also on the container. And let me sublime my index.html. Hello, Nginx. Hello. And here will be its value. Save it. And what we have is here. I will save it. So you see, the real time, I changed something on my computer and the container changed also. That's a value. But the problem maybe here it's that if we remove something like is containers or container ls, let me clear to be better, ls. So I want to remove the hi txt from here, and look what will happen here on our system. It's also removed. So what to do to stop it? Let's exit and run another container. Exit docker run. Oh, sorry. Docker run. Docker stop all container. Docker run. So this port mn1. So in the end of the value, the volume, you we'll write RO. It means that read only. Let's start. Docker ps docker execute mn1 sh pwd. I will make some create a empty document. Haha, touch txt. Okay. ls. As you see, we have a haha.txt and we want to try to remove it. Let me change the name a little bit. Got wrong. Okay. ls and let's try to remove it. Remove a haha touch.txt and it cannot remove. It's a read only. That's why we have a read only here. So on the system, someone, if you are a host and in somewhere using your container is running somewhere, no one can't change the file system on your on your host on your computer. So that's it. Let's continue.